Okay, I'm here in the casino on board Radiance of the Seas, and I'm going to show you a couple of key things you need to know about how to work the machines. If you're new to playing slots, this is something that people don't always know what to do. So, if you are trying to charge to your room, you need to set a PIN number. When you first get on a ship on board Royal Caribbean, your default PIN number is going to be your month and date of your birthday. So if your birthday is March 31st, that first PIN number is going to be 0331. And then it's going to prompt you to change your PIN. That's where you can put in the PIN that you want for the rest of the week. Now, if you want to charge back to your room, here's what you do. It's going to show you it's going to have your name, which I blacked out because my real name's not Nikki, and I'm just leaving that off the internet. And how many points you have. You're going to hit account. And this is where you can go to the personal banker, and you can look and see how much free play you have available, and you can charge to your room. Put in that PIN number. Hit enter. And it's going to bring you to this screen where you can check how much free play you have available. That's the amount of free play that I could convert. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to do a transfer. And I'm going to do a room charge. I'm going to do $100 because I just sat down to play. And then it's going to ask me to confirm. You can also put in other if you want to do another amount, or you can just do one of the lower amounts. And that's it. Okay, now there's another benefit that a lot of people don't know about, which is as you earn points in the casino on Royal Caribbean, you earn free play. So for every 50 points you earn, you get $1 worth of free play. And you convert it usually near the end of the week, because if you don't use it, you lose it. Now, when you convert your points, the points will go down on the screen. You're going to see when I do it here in a second. But those points are all still accruing towards your tier status and your instant certificate. So don't worry that the balance dropped. You just have to kind of keep track on your own. I usually write it down on my phone, how many points that I converted. So here's how you do that. Okay, now here's how you do the free play conversion. You're going to go into personal banker again, put in that PIN number. You're still going to go, well, first you can check your rewards balance. Okay, I have $43 that I can convert to free play. Then I'm going to do a transfer again, transfer to game, and then convert points to free play. Then the free play button is where you'll find your promotional free play. I have $6 of promotional free play for being Diamond Plus, I believe. So I'm going to do that. Now it just went to the screen. I already had 350. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to convert some of my points to free play and show you how. Right now I have 2,341. Okay. I'm going to convert 500 points, which is $10 of free play. PIN number again. Transfers. Transfer to game. Convert points to free play. And I'm just going to do $10. Okay. Now, remember what my balance was before on my points. Okay. Transferred $10. And now my points balance says 1841. But that's 1,800 points are still available to convert to free play. But I have 2,300 points being tracked for my instant certificate and my tier status. So like working towards prime or signature. They didn't go away. They are just not on the machine anymore for free play. So don't panic when you see that drop. Just keep track of how many points you converted.